Okay, guys. All right, guys. Look, we got some serious stuff to talk about. Two things, as a matter of fact. First, this haircut. I know you guys love my luscious locks, but it's either gotta go or I gotta go for the full-out quarantine ponytail. We'll see which one actually happens. Second, I just wanted to announce to all of you, my fans, my family, my community, sandwich shop, that we're moving to Mixer. And I can't wait. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's IVANTASANDiWICH here again, just reminding you that you should definitely hit that like and subscribe button, and then share the video to all your friends, all your family members. Your grandmother loves sandwiches. I know she does. Don't tell me she doesn't. Don't forget, Notification Squad gets sandwiches first. Sandwiches are the videos. Check out me on Twitch. I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we also have a Discord server. I have a Twitter. I have a Facebook group page thing that I just made.
I want to die.
Check the links down below. I've been streaming for 5 years. When I first started, it wasn't that difficult to pick where I wanted to stream, because really all there was Twitch and I believe YouTube. But the top dog was definitely Twitch. So my choice was made for me, essentially. I know Twitch has been my home for the last 5 years, but with just everything that I've been kind of paying attention to lately, it seems like now might be a good time to move. I mean, there are a plethora of other options to choose from now. Check out my last video. Out of those 5 years, I just wasn't able to see the growth that I thought I deserved. And I know it wasn't my fault. How could it be? I'm just that awesome. People love me. You love me, right? Let's go through a few of the reasons why I'm gonna make the switch. Number one, Twitch has just become really, really toxic, and I've gotten tired of their double standards. Like, you see a streamer get banned for no apparent reason, or at least an undisclosed reason. You know who I'm talking about. And then you have other users who constantly abuse the terms of service and don't seem to get any punishment for it, don't seem to get any kind of flack. It seems silly to me. I don't understand why you can't hold everybody on your platform accountable, no matter how big or small they are. It's the same terms of service. Secondly, I've been spending a lot more time just trying to explore the environment on these other platforms like Facebook, Mixer, YouTube Gaming, Trovo, wherever. It doesn't matter. I've been doing my research, trying to figure out what the communities are like. And to be quite frank, Mixer has had a very, very enjoyable, relaxed, chill, supportive community. And I think it's just the best decision to make. Thirdly, just a little fun fact. I thought this was cool. This may not be a good reason to switch platforms, but when you throw it on top of all the other reasons, I think it's cool. So Mixer's name used to be Beam. If that's not cool, I don't know what is. Second, we're not on 2 anymore. 4. Fourth reason. We all know that Microsoft bought out Beam and changed it to Mixer. And on top of that, we also know Microsoft is better than Sony. Here's the number one reason. Well, technically it's number 5, but my most important reason that I finally decided that Mixer was the place I should jump to. So here you go. You ready? Are you ready for it? Let me say something first. This really grinds my gears because on Twitch, they're always asking me for money. Like, they always ask for my credit card number. They ask for my social security number. They ask me for my height, my eye color. It's gotten to be excessive. I've told them to stop. I've called my lawyers, and it hasn't stopped. The telemarketers call me. I just don't know what to do. I'm at my wit's end. Okay? So here's the reason why. Mixer, it's free. Totally free. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump over to this other computer and we'll make this Mixer account. Let's go. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my web browser. Go ahead and go to mixer.com. To my dismay, it appears that Mixer is shutting down today. I need to watch the news more. Okay, all right. Obviously, this has been a joke, and I don't mean to make light of the situation for all the people who made their careers on Mixer. To find out that you're losing your job or having to essentially transfer to a different employer with no previous notice, especially over a tweet, that's like breaking up with your girlfriend via text message. Not cool. To be encouraging, I have seen various broadcasters on pretty much any of the other platforms be very, very welcoming and very encouraging. So don't get discouraged. You did build something on Mixer, and you can definitely do it again. I'm sure some of you already have made plans and started your move over to one of the new platforms. Don't be discouraged. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep on streaming, and don't give up. Hopefully we'll see you there. So that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to do something a little bit different, change of pace. I don't know, do something a little more comical to entertain you. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Until next time, check out some of the other videos that I have on my channel. Maybe you'll learn something. Maybe you'll just get a kick out of the content. I live to serve. They're all for you. I have a lot of other content planned that'll be coming out in the next few weeks, so stay tuned for that. And remember, you want to be the first one to see it, so make sure you subscribe, you like, hit the notification bell. Also, while you're at it, you might as well check the links in the description for Twitch. I'm live there Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. 3 days a week, baby. 6 PM EST. Hopefully I'll see you there. Also, I'm in the Discord quite frequently. I got Twitter, I got Instagram, Facebook groups, all the things, man. As I say all the time, all the things. So please, just do them. Do the right thing. And remember, your grandma loves sandwiches too. Feed her.
What kind of place is this?